the WLtoys crawler. There's the box. There's something there. And there's some info on that side. Which one did we get? There's just the manual, the charger and whatnot. Look at that. Let's take the foams off. What's up with this thing? Yeah, I thought it's not gonna have a winch like the picture said. But look at it. Yeah, I thought it's gonna have a winch. It's got a jack and place for a spare wheel. It's very solid, I can tell you that much. That's a solid car. There's your remote. Normal throttle, trim, steering, trim. There's a phone holder. It's not as flimsy as it looks. I thought it's the one with the screen. Some thumb control there. What type of batteries does it take? Oh, it looks like 4 AAAs. 4 AAAs. Low high range, I think. And it's got a V8 in it. Let's try to open it. It's got a very strong magnetic body post on that side. There's what should be your light controller. A 550 motor. This seems to be like it could be your receiver. Here's your battery. This is a very good quality vehicle. What's that? 3000 milliamp hours. Some foam there, some foam there. Those are your body mounts. Just clicks in and clicks off. Just look at that, it's got some hinges and that feels like quality hinges. Even got some metal braces that goes up at the back of it into the roll cage, but I'm not gonna be that extreme on it. It looks very nice. I got a 45 ton motor for it, brand new one. I put in there. This tires feels very grippy. That's very nice. It's got some metal to plastic drive shafts here. What these links are metal to nylon links. And there's what your on and off switch. Shows you should turn something there, but it's not applicable. Seems to me like it has oil-filled shocks. This is much easier. It's got a strong magnet. Oh, just pull it up, plug it in, and shut it. Switch it on. Gives you some light action. If the remotes are not connected. So there's your lights, on and off. Indicator there, indicator there. It has like a high and a low. Just look at that drag brake. Some indicators at the back, probably. There you have it. And we've got brake lights. Oh, it's got red brake lights there. If you like these types of videos, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel so you can see the other vehicles that's coming up. We will have some crawlers coming up and maybe more bashers, and we are thinking of getting some planes as well. There's a guy inside of there. He's got his safety on. This is a very nice crawler. I got it for 300 bucks. It's really not expensive for what it is. There's a link in the description where you can find it. It's got some portal axles. There's probably a shaft in there. It's going on some gears, making it a bit stronger. This is a very good hobby grade vehicle. It's a decent 110 scale vehicle. Look at those wipers. They can move. Got some windows in. A solid roof rack. If you put it there, there's it comparing to the MN99. You can shift that up a bit and that one up a bit. And there it is next to the Pangolin. The Pangolin is a bit of an extreme crawler, 110 as well, but you can see that this Jeep of WLtoys is a very nice size. Just look at them. Now that's just according to the looks of it. I will take it out on our home track. It's got a very nice detailed manual. Look at all the detail. Look at all the detail. It's a thick manual. Look at that. Everything is in here. Part numbers, explosion diagrams, safety instructions, differential stripped till explosion. Just look at that. Everything is in here.